Greetings all. Today's tutorial will be on how to set up your shop or office after registering on NSK Trade Hub. After registration, the next thing you should do is to set up your office or set up your shop. That is putting things that will describe your office or describe your shop, that will tell people what you do and other things about you. So let's start. I'm logging in as Solutionsoft, a vendor or a seller. Yes, I'm logging in as Solutionsoft, so this is my email address. Now, after logging in, this is where it will bring me to. This is where it will bring me to. Then, to set up the shop, you can see welcome to your store. Welcome to your store manager. Yes, this is my real name. Membership plan I choose. This is the membership plan, and this last login and every other information you need to know. If you like, you scroll up to see some other things you feel like you understand. But let's dive in. You can start setting up your shop or office from this icon looking like human being here at the center. You can touch it and it will open. When it opens, you can start setting up your shop from here or setting up your office from here. But I don't want to do it through this way. You understand? I want to go through settings. So, and I will still advise you to go through settings. Now, click at these triple lines here. Click at these triple lines. When you click at the triple lines, then you scroll down to settings. This is settings. So settings have opened now. So you can see your store setting. See other information, 42% complete. So there are still so many other things to add. Okay, so let's start. Now look at, during the registration I put up my store name, which is Solutionsoft SDM. The store's log, you are not the person to choose this one. Is whatever thing you choose as your store name or office name is what the system will use and decide what will be your slug. So look at my email. There's email of my business. This is the phone number. Now it now ask you of store logo. So you need to add your store logo now. Now I will tell you something. You need to have a store logo. If you don't have a logo for your store, because logo is important, it's very unique. Yes, it makes your business to appear unique. You can outsource to any of these graphic designers around. Anybody you know within you that are good in graphic design, they can design logo for you. You understand? You can make good logo representing your business or your office or the kind of thing you are doing at all. Just describe what you do and the person will design it for you. Then it is better you design it instead of using something else. It's better you create a logo for your business, a logo that represents your business, so that whenever person sees this logo, it knows this is you. Anywhere he sees this logo, it knows this is your business. Another person should not have the same logo with you. It's not right and it's not even okay. You understand? So, and I will advise you, if you can't get someone that will design it for you, you can contact Solutionsoft through this phone number that is here or through this email. This phone number is on WhatsApp. This email, you can still send us message through that email. If you need a logo, you can contact us through that place. Then we'll talk and get you a logo for your business. The logo is very, very important. Okay, now let me add logo. I click on that image. Then I have to choose a picture, that's a logo of my business from my phone. So when I click this select now, it will take me to folders, pictures inside my phone, so that I will select the one that is the logo for this business. Now let me choose a logo for my business, Solutionsoft. I trace the logos. I'm tracing the logo I want to use. I have so many images on my phone. So I want to use this one as my logo. The logo representing my business, so that anyone that sees this logo knows this is Solutionsoft. So that is logo. Then I'll come here and click select. The logo have entered. So the next one is store banner type. This store banner type, which is this place now, you said you can see static image, slide, video. So you can choose any of these type you want. If you want the banner of your shop or your office to become a static image, fine. If you want it to become slide image, fine. If you still want it to be a video, fine. Anyone you choose, click on it, it will enter there. You understand? And whatever thing you choose here is what you upload under this store banner. So me, I want so now I want to choose the banner of my business. That's a banner showing my business, like as you are in your shop now, maybe physical shop, you do a kind of banner and put in front of your shop. So that's what this thing will look like. So let me click here and get the banner which I want to use. So I want to use banner from here. I want to upload banner from my phone. So this is these are images in my phone. Then the one I'm looking for is this one. I think I will choose this one. This is the banner I will use for my business. So the banner is now there. I click select here. So the banner is here. You can see it's shop Solutionsoft. So now this one that say mobile banner is still the same thing with this one. You have to click here and still add the same banner. The only difference is just that the one that the system will show if you are using mobile phone, like this phone I'm using now. If I try to view this shop, the one I'll see is this one that is mobile banner. If I'm using something like laptop, any big screen, it will be this one that is a store banner. So let's keep going. Now, store list banner type. The kind of banners you want to list in your store, like different banners that you list in your shop. You you can still choose static banner, static image or video. I still want to use static image, so I click here now to add. I will still add the same banner. If I have another type of banner, I will still add it, or let me choose another type of banner, the second banner. Let me choose it so that two of them will be there. If you have more than one, you can still add it. If you don't have, you can still use the same and make it. You understand? So I choose this one now. So I have two banners now. So I select. So it will still appear here. So I have two of them. So the next thing is now shop description. You need to describe your shop. Yes, you need to describe your shop. Even if I want to add another image in the shop description, I can still add image, like here now. If I want to add image, I can still add image from there. Click, then add image. Let me just choose image I feel like using. Okay, let me just use this one. Let me just use that one. Now I have entered. I click select. So it have entered. If you watch by the side of this, if you look very well beside this image now, you can see something black, a kind of thin line blinking. So that thin line blinking will enable me to type the text that describe my shop. I will click this and kind of enter key. In laptop we'll call it enter key, but I'll click this now to push this thing down so that I'll be able to type below this image. I'll click. You now see, bring me to this place where I will type. Then description of my shop or my office or my business, which I will type here. I have already prepared it before starting this starting to fill this form or to set up this shop. Yes, I have prepared what is the description of my business. The same way you have to do it. You have to prepare what is the description of your business. How do you want to describe your business? What is your business all about? So that people that will come to your shop will take a look, read it, and know what your business is all about. You get? Now, if you don't know how to describe, this is another kind of tutorial now. If you don't know how to describe your business, maybe like now this my business is, the name is Solutionsoft SDM. Is an ICT, it is an ICT field. You understand? So the things we do is in the field of ICT. So how will I describe what I do? It may be difficult for me to do. Yes, if you are finding it difficult to do, there's another tutorial I will have in this platform. The name of the tutorial is how to generate just the name is just generate content using AI. You understand? If you just come to this our platform, this NSK Trade Hub, you will see where you will get a list of tutorials being done, both video and text. You search or you check the one that says generate content using AI or generate content with AI. Then that tutorial will teach you how to generate any kind of content at all using AI. For instance, now I want to describe my business, but I'm not very clear or very familiar, and or things I want to write about this particular business, it may be difficult for me. Though my own may be easy for me, but your own you may find it difficult depending on the kind of business. How can you create a bit test, a bit long test that will describe what you do and all you do? If you're finding it difficult, just go to that tutorial. You will see how to generate a description of your your business. You understand? And the example will say, let me just give you a kind of a guide. Let me just give you a guide how you can use the AI to generate a content or description of your business. For instance, now my own is in ICT field. Hmm? Now I want to generate a text. Let me see, it's a text. I want to generate a text that describe what I'm doing. So and I want to say, I go to that AI, open it. When you get to tutorial, you will see how to open it, how to get there. When you get there, then you can give this kind of description to the AI so that AI will use it to generate what you want for you. You now say kind of generate or create or suggest at least one of these three terms will help AI know what to do. For instance, if you say generate a description of an ICT firm that is focused on developing softwares, websites, graphics, designs. As you're mentioning this thing, you're just to be separating them with commas. You understand? In using this AI, what matters is simply your creativity. How can you create, structure what you want to ask the AI to do for you? If you just structure it clearly in your head, give it to AI to give you back what you want. So, for instance, now you go there and say, generate a description of an ICT firm that is focused on web development, software development, app development, graphic design, etc. It will generate it for you. So when it generates it, all you need to do is now read those things it generates for you. Like I said, when the AI generates the content, which is the description of your business, then you, with those information you give to the AI, it's now used to generate some content for you. You now go through the content, that is read the content. After reading the content, you will see the things you need, and they see the things you don't need, and they see from there you still see the things you need to modify, like change or add. So this will give you an idea of what you want, a close idea of what you want. So with the AI content that was generated, you now use it and it will guide you to modify that text to suit your own description of what your business is. And when you get your own content now after modifying it, usually I advise people to go to WhatsApp. When you get to WhatsApp, I believe during that you watching the tutorial, you will see how I will do it. You understand? You see how it's being done in that tutorial. You copy the text, go to WhatsApp, do the message like you're sending to yourself. You stay there and do the modification within the WhatsApp place. Do the modification, then send it to yourself. Be able to send it to yourself and copy that particular one you modified. Then come to this place, like I have copied my own. Then come here and paste it. You understand? So I have pasted my own now. If you go through this is the content that describes my business, things I do. You understand? So this is the content and I have pasted it here. So without going through stress. So with this, the content thing is over. Then you can move on. The next one says store name position. You position where the name of your store will be. This is very simple. Number one, the banner, you look at this one say on banner, and another one say at the head. So any of these, choose it. It will still write the name of your shop within the shop. Within that shop, like if you enter the shop page, then this will any of this type you choose, the name of your shop will display like that, either on the banner or at the head. So this is not a serious thing. Then this one that says products page. This product page means how many products, because you'll be creating products, uploading products to your page. You understand? That is in that your shop. If somebody click on your shop, you will see products you uploaded. You understand? The entire product, even if you have like up to 100 products you uploaded that you're selling, you see all of them. During the time I will create how to upload the product, you will see it. So different, like for instance you're selling shoes, you take a picture of this particular shoe, you describe it, you put all the necessary information about that shoe, upload it will appear in your shop page. You take another kind of shoe, put a description of the shoe and other information surrounding the other information about the particular shoe. Then you take it and still upload. You get? So all these things are the products you have in your shop page. So as many as you put, all of them will be there, but it will be counting from 1 to 10 a page. If it gets 1 to 10, that page will be filled up. Automatically it will generate another page. You understand? The more you add, if it gets to 10, it will create another page by itself. Automatically, anybody that comes to your shop to take a look at your shop will see products from 1 to 10. Then see next below it. If you look at this whole product, you click next and go to the next page. You see the product there, you click next. The same way to the entire product you uploaded. You understand? So this one is not the case. So no matter how this one is, like I have 10 here. If I like, I can change it to 15. You get? But I prefer this 10, so I'll leave it at 10. So that is not a big thing. Then this one that says hide email from store, hide phone from store, hide address from store, hide map from store, and hide about from store, hide policy from store. Yes, if you any of these, if you like, you mark it. So this one you're marking is the ones you want to hide from the store. Like when somebody comes to your shop page, your store, the person will not see any of this about you. Like your phone number will not be displayed there, your email will not be displayed there, your address will not be displayed there, your map of your shop, that's the map of your address, will not be displayed there. So many, all these things will not be displayed. But I advise you, don't mark any of them. This will give you an edge when a customer comes to your shop and doesn't find your email, doesn't find your phone number, doesn't find your address, doesn't find your map, doesn't find any of this information. The person may think maybe you are not genuine. That's why you hide them. So don't hide it. Allow it like this. All of them should display. And even if we, the NSK trader, find it like it is hidden, we still suspect you. You understand? So it's wrong. I would advise you, don't hide any of this. Allow all of them to show up. Any means where your customer want to contact you, can contact you straight. So the next one is location. So this location now is all about if you have, because while you are creating account, you added your first address. You understand? You added the address of your business. Now this one is showing you branch location. So if you have a branch, you just click here. As you click this add branch, it will open this particular form. Look at branch name. You fill the branch name straight. Just address. This is just all about address. You fill this form complete. After you fill this place complete, you now come down and say add branch. That's all. When you add this branch, it will become your second branch, and anybody that comes to your shop will see the branch. Someone that comes to your shop page will see all this information. So with this, because this setting up your page, your store, is very vast. Look at all this is you're seeing here. I will teach all of them. So I don't want this video to be too long. So I have to shorten it. Then stop here. I will continue the rest. I will teach everything here so that each of these things you want to do, you learn it and know how to do it. You don't need to disturb yourself by trying to ask anybody, communicate in customer care, or no. I want everybody to know. Anybody that wants to do anything on this site, learn every single thing. We have the tutorial, both text and video. If you want to read, you read. If you want to watch, you watch. You learn it and you do it yourself. So I have to stop here. And after everything, you need to click save. Let me go back. Why this save is not highlighted? Because I opened this and I did not close it. Are you seeing it? This branch, it is open and I have not added any information. So I don't want to add. But if you want to add, you can add. The information there is very simple. So I don't want to add. Let me go back to the normal place. Now I can save this whole thing I've done now. I need to click save. So if you click save, look at what will happen. So you can see it is successfully saved. So the setting is successfully saved. So I will continue the tutorial in the next